What is going on with the Bitcoin price? Why are we not continuing to rally even though that we're so close to the halving, and what is about to happen next? Hey everyone, it's the Patient Hodler coming at you with a very quick market update on the crypto market, on the Bitcoin price. If you enjoy these updates, then smash up the like button right now. Let me know through the likes that you want more of these updates. And let's start here. So, we are 17 days and a couple of hours away from the Bitcoin halving. So, very, very close. It's supposed to take part on the 20th of April at 11:47 UTC. And let's look at the Bitcoin price here. So what we're seeing right now with enough touch points is that we have been forming some kind of a symmetrical triangle. We're bouncing at the moment on this daily candle, which has just opened 6 hours ago, and we're seemingly moving sideways. Although perceived, we have some downside. We're about 10% down from the previous all-time high, or from the all-time high that we've formed just now. We have formed the monthly close on a new high for the entire Bitcoin history for monthly closes at 71,000, and now we're down a little bit. And the sentiment in the market is going slightly away, which is a good thing, because all this sugar rush, all this hype is fading off a little bit, and as sentiment reports here, basically historically less term optimism increases the probability of a continued market rise. So if this is the case, and we see here clearly here that since we are ranging, since we are moving sideways here in the Bitcoin price, that sugar rush, that optimism is fading away. So even though this is a symmetrical triangle, this can break to either side. I would argue that it's probably at some point breaking to the upside, and it is more or less leading into the halving as we're seeing it here. So what would be then the target here for that? That would be, if we are taking that measured move here and say we're breaking out here, we would look at 82,000 roundabout, depending on where it breaks. If it breaks a little bit earlier, we're looking at a slightly higher target, but fine. If we lose the structure, we could form something like this, and then we could look at even more downside. But again, if you have watched yesterday's Crypto Morning Coffee, then you would know that the cost of production for Bitcoin after the halving, which is this green bar, will jump up to exactly this level here, 60,000. So this would be, at least for miner sell-offs, where miners would say, I can sell a Bitcoin at break even. This would be the floor. So the floor would be even a little bit higher. And then also what plays a bigger role is the current behavior of sell-offs of BlackRock, of Fidelity, BlackRock buying, but Fidelity and Grayscale and so on that are sometimes buying, sometimes selling. So let's look at that. This chart here is from Crypto Bro. I highly recommend following him because he's putting that out actually every day, as it seems, and it's a pretty simple. I like the more simple analysis. So we are here on the green bar of outflows, and we have all of our ETFs up here. So the left one, where I just put my face in front of, is BlackRock. So BlackRock has increased its buying again, so no sell-offs there. But ARK Invest suddenly started fading away and selling some. So I would say the reason for that is that at ARK Invest, there are more people that know Bitcoin and the market, and that are probably more likely to take a trade. So there might be some profit taking going on there. And that's exactly what I try to emphasize here on this channel quite a lot. Many people treat the Bitcoin ETFs as something where Bitcoin flows in and never comes out. That is not true. Bitcoin ETF holders will sell at some point as well. But one thing is clear, GBTC is selling off like crazy. And we can see that they had one of their biggest sell-offs at the 1st of April, and it was no joke, leading to a minus 85 million total outflow volume. Whereas now, since BlackRock is buying everything up, we're at a slightly positive volume, but this can still change as this day is still ongoing. Now, in general, GBTC outflows are continuing. At some point, this will fade. This can take 2 months, this can take 3 months or 4 months, but at some point, at this pace, what's left over of GBTC will be very small and the outflows will be less drastic. The question is, will the inflows be as high as they've been before? And probably they will exceed the GBTC outflows. We have seen before that everything that is bought by BlackRock is coming out basically of GBTC. So it's very hard for the price to pump solely on this. So overall, GBTC has already sold 15 billion and 152 million US dollars, and what has been bought up is only around about 12 billion. So there is by the ETFs, the rest has been bought up by whatever, like the market, and then we're down 10% already also. But that is basically the reason why we're seeing what we're seeing, and I would say it's not even a thing that is wrong here also. If we're looking at the weekly price action, we can see we're still pretty oversold, and every week that goes on in a consolidation where we go sideways from now could lead to the indicators cool off a little bit, and then gives us basically the chance to pump again. So let me know what you think about the Bitcoin price action in the comments below. Don't forget to smash up the like on this video, subscribe if you're interested for more, and wherever you are on the world, have yourselves a great morning, evening, day, night or afternoon. I see you in the next video update.